Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the lighting options on your Onikuma C1 controller. So let's begin. If I fold the controller behind, you will be able to see that there are two buttons behind, actually four, but these are the macro buttons. These are the vibration controller button and the lighting button. So this is the lighting button, which looks like this, and this one is the vibration button. This side is the vibration button. So this lighting button, you need to press the lighting button, and so let me place my hand on the lighting button and the other finger will be on this right side stick. So you need to press these two buttons together. Now as you can see, if I press it, the lighting mode has changed, and now the lighting is just spinning in RGB colors all around the controller. So if I press the both buttons again, now it's solid light in green color, and then let me press it again, and now the light will be changing while glowing and glowing out from different colors. So it's now green, and as you can see now, after it went out and glowed again, it's now red. So guys, that's how you can change the lighting options on your Onikuma C1 controller. If you found this video helpful guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.